My name's Iestyn Jones. I'm General Manager with Welsh Lamb and Beef Producers, a farming cooperative of over 7,000 sheep and beef farmers in Wales. We're part of the Arwain DGC project, with our main remit being collecting data on the antibiotic usage, and this will be done by working very closely with the veterinary profession in Wales.
So we've been doing the health and welfare review forms for a while now and doing the calculations in-house, which have been great because any antibiotic calculation means that we know what the main problems on the farm are, what we need to focus on in the health and welfare review and the health plan, and to benchmark farms against other farms. And having it standardised, as in with the Welsh Lamb and Beef website and the calculator, means that we know that we're doing it the same way as everybody else is doing it, and we can benchmark against other farms and other areas in Wales.